I'm Abdellah Farmer from the region of Agadir, Morocco, the southwestern of Morocco. This farm began organic with my grandparents decades ago. I'm doing this since I was 6 years. I left school only just for this job, yeah. My father switched to conventional, like just other farmers. So when I come back to take this farm in my hands, I converted it again into organic. The first idea came to my mind. I want to know how the others farm in other countries. I started with developed countries, the way they grow vegetables and the way they market their vegetables. How to avoid some diseases like white powdery mildew, how to avoid some types of insects and companion plants. There are some plants that repel the insects. I had to work very hard. I changed everything from seeds and things I feed my plants. So now everything is grown organically and they grow different things, not like in the past when they focus on monoculture. The market which forced them to grow those hybrid seeds, because the hybrid seeds have the long shelf life. They can be transported for other countries and for other cities, and they can stay in these stores for a long time. But with the non-hybrid seeds, they should be eaten locally. But there is a difference in the taste. These tomatoes taste better than hybrid tomatoes. With the years, they can endure the harsh climate conditions and everything. Hybrid seeds are for only one plantation.
Beautiful. Cool.
I get excited. When you love something, you innovate. Every beginning of this season, I come with a new energy and a new thought, and I find another way to enjoy the hardship and it's everything. You know what you eat, because now people they eat everything in the market, but they don't know the things that input in those products. Especially here, there is no control, there is no inspections in the farm. The farmers, they are spraying pesticides and everything. For example, today, and they harvest the produce tomorrow and take it to the market. So, and when you read the bottle of the pesticide, it says, don't eat these vegetables if it is sprayed with this product 21 days after the last spray or 15 days after the last spray. But no one respects these norms. I wish to overcome all these challenges that come in ahead. You know, lately with this lack of water and this climate change, it makes it hard for farmers to continue, especially small farmers. We focus on underground water table for irrigating our gardens. So I use a diesel engine that consumes propane gas. The engine now costs me 5 bottles of propane gas every day, equal of 25 euros. So it's too much for me. So I think to have solar panels and an electric pump. This is what I'm working on now. Inshallah, I will have it. And for the moment, I have to drill deeper the well. I have to add another 60 meters or 80 meters. And this is not the solution, because if you just dig in, if there is no rain, 10 years later, you have to dig again. You have to dig. It will be difficult. Know that the big farmers, especially those who grow tomatoes, they use a technique, hydroponic technique. So they don't grow tomatoes anymore on the soil. There is water running in the pipes, the same water, but the additives they feed in their plants with synthetic fertilizers. So it is not healthy for human health, but it is saving water, you know. Really what we, it's too difficult to solve this problem, because Morocco depends on agriculture in its economy. They never thought of water, that it will be like this. Anyway, we hope for rain. If you are not optimist in farming, just don't practice it, because it is the only option to be optimist and to work. The most important thing in life, to be nice to people and to be nice to nature, and to see ourselves as part of nature. That's why I have to find a way that will make me stay in this job until the end, until the last day of my life.